What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video here. Today we finally got all of the parts for the exhaust that we need in order to get it fully set up. So last night we finally got these clamps that I needed to connect this mid pipe to the, so this is going to go to the header, this is a mid pipe, and it's going to go to the Corsa X pipe. So finally got that part in last night. I have the other one in my pocket here, so I'm going to put it on this one. I have jumper cables here too, because apparently for some reason they can't get the Mustang to start up. I'm not sure why, what the cause is. I think it's because of the battery is not fully charged. As I said in my last video, I was told by the guy I have been having to deal with is that he has been starting the car up, but like I said in my last video, as you guys saw, when we tried to jump the battery with the jumper that they provided, it said the battery was about halfway charged. So if I need to pick up another battery, I can do that because the battery's under warranty. I just have to remember exactly where I got the battery from. Okay, I think I got it from AutoZone or O'Reilly's, I'm not entirely sure, but it's a brand new battery. The battery on that car right now is maybe 2 months old, I want to say, since the car was sitting there for over a month, and that's why I was constantly having to go there every other day to try and start the car up so that the battery didn't completely die. Well, now they're saying that the battery, or that the car won't start. He told his mechanics to try and start up the car. They tried, it won't start. He says he doesn't think it's the battery, but I've already had my other mechanic who, on the engine, he said everything's running fine and smooth on that end. So if it's nothing's wrong with the engine and the other mechanics are saying it's not the battery, then I'm not entirely sure. He just texted me back saying he doesn't know. I won't know what the issue is. So I'm gonna go there personally myself. We're gonna hook up the exhaust. Hopefully I'll figure out what the issue is. Hopefully the car just needs to be charged. If not, I'll run to the store, swap out the battery. Hopefully that'll fix the issue. And hopefully, guys, we get to finally hear what the Mustang sounds without running open headers. All right, guys, so we made it. So I'm gonna try and see, because he's saying that they put 2 jumper boxes to it, which I already did last time I came here. That was on video, and it didn't start. So I bought jumper cables with me just in case. We're gonna fix this exhaust, hopefully, and get it welded properly. I need to get some jumper cable or a jack, some jack stands, and fix this up so we can lift this up and I can go underneath the car and put those pipes on, and hopefully if I can get the car started, we will finally hear what the Corsa sounds like. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Because if anything, like I said, I think it's a battery. I know they said it's not. Yeah, so I went in there. The car is not even it's not even getting power at all. So the car is completely dead. And this is why I bought jumper cables. It's like I have to be my own mechanic, guys. We're gonna figure this out. All right, so now we actually have power. Look at that. All right, so I hooked the car up to my car. I'm gonna let it charge up while I fix the try to fix the exhaust underneath the car. I'm gonna let that charge up, do its thing. Hopefully by the time I get done, shouldn't take me very long. It'll be enough to give this. Did something just come undone here? Yeah, we're leaking something underneath here. It's like coming from the headers. I don't know what that is.
I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's leaking something.
Alright, let's kind of dive into depth here and see what we can do, guys. Let's check and see. All right, that's enough. I think it might be the battery, guys. Yeah, I think it might be the battery. I don't know what it's doing right now, but it's like trying to start it still. Ooh. Spark. I know the mechanic said they don't think it's a battery, but I honestly don't believe that it could be anything else. If I'm being honest. Let me just make sure my car is perfectly fine. All right. I'm going to clamp together this part here. I'm gonna place you guys down in here. So, like I said, this is the part that we needed. Slide this bad boy right here, and then that goes right in here, like so. And it's a 15 millimeter, so we're just gonna tighten her down. Y'all don't judge me on this shirt. I just put on something that I didn't mind getting dirty. Alright, so here is the other one. So they look about right. Right, this is gonna be the left here. So yeah, so these will bolt up to the headers right here, and that will go to the X pipe. So now we're gonna get underneath the car here and see if we can't put this all together. Then we'll go get a new battery. Hopefully that'll be a cause for this car not wanting to start. We do that, and then we can go from there. So not quite sure what is leaking underneath here. So there's the oil can, there's a computer, this guy is good. Right here you guys can see the headers, these bad girls. So yeah, something though right here is leaking. I'm not sure what that is. That might be oil. I'm not quite sure. Alrighty, guys. I hooked the battery back up. Now, we have power. I just don't know if this thing is going to start. But we're going to see. Alright. Hopefully, she starts. When I went to AutoZone, they said it could be the alternator, so maybe the alternator is bad. We're going to try. Let's see. Okay, we got a little something. See? Come on. All right, so as you can see, the car started up. She doesn't sound the best because these clamps that are on the car are not, I'm not entirely sure. Something is leaking earlier, and the exhaust, like I said, I need to go and retighten everything. I was trying to just get everything kind of seated on there. I can't even see underneath here. I mean, it's still very... rough. I don't know if I can let my foot off the accelerator right now. I'm holding my foot on the accelerator. Something is like burning too, it smells like. Nope, and it just died. I don't get this car, man. I really don't. It's like... I don't know if it's the E85. I don't know if it's something else. Something is burning. It's definitely not as loud. I mean, the car is still loud, but... Missing, man. I just gotta get that exhaust, because it's still coming through the headers and the fumes. It's still coming through like right here. got the exhaust. That shit's crazy. See, now it's like it's struggling. Then it's gonna go back to normal.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.